When it comes to Airbnb rental arbitrage, which is essentially making money on Airbnb without having your own property, there are some things that you need before starting this business. And trust me, deciding what you need and what you don't need while doing Airbnb rental arbitrage will save you time and money. Some people have success with it and others don't. But what's the difference between the two groups? Well, lucky for you, because in this video, I want to walk you through everything you need to make your Airbnb business a success. And wait until the end, because I will personally tell you my advice given from all successful Airbnb hosts. So without wasting any time, here are 8 things you need for a successful Airbnb rental arbitrage. Number 1. Property you can rent out. This is pretty self-explanatory. It doesn't have to be your own, but yes, you need a property in this venture. Here's the first step you need to know. Find a property that meets all the necessary requirements. Your property must be in good condition and in a desirable location, as well as legally zoned for short-term rentals. You can browse through listings on the Airbnb platform and pitch current landlords on the idea. Ensure that the property is registered with the local government. Without proper registration, your chances of being approved as an Airbnb host are greatly reduced. Yes, finding the perfect property for your Airbnb rental arbitrage business may seem daunting, but with proper research, you can find a property that meets all the necessary requirements. Number 2. A thorough knowledge of the rental rules in your area. I know you're thinking of starting an Airbnb rental arbitrage business, so here's 3 words I need you to know. Understand rental laws. In order to be successful in this venture, it is crucial to have a thorough understanding of your area's rental laws and regulations. This includes understanding zoning laws and any specific regulations or restrictions related to short-term rentals. Not only that, but it is essential to be aware of any taxes or fees associated with renting out a property on a short-term basis. Failure to comply with these rules can result in fines or even legal action, so it is essential to do your research before getting started. You also need to know that local laws vary significantly from state to state and city to city, so check with your local authorities or consult with a lawyer to ensure that you operate within the law. Keep watching, because in a minute, I want to tell you the exact reason why having an insurance policy for your Airbnb business is a must-have. But before that, make sure to like and share this video to help us spread the word to more people. Number 3. An understanding of the local real estate market. Take it from me, knowing the market value of your property as well as the value of other properties in your neighborhood can help you make informed decisions about pricing, negotiation, and investment. Having this information can also help you to identify trends and patterns in the market, such as rising or falling prices, which can inform your decisions about buying or selling. What's more is that understanding the local real estate market can help you to identify potential risks or opportunities, such as upcoming developments or changes in zoning laws. To gain an understanding of the local real estate market, you can research online, speak with local real estate agents, or attend local property auctions. The hack is to stay up to date with the latest market trends and changes to make the best decision for your property. Number 4. The ability to screen tenants and deal with problems in a timely manner. Dealing with difficult tenants and unexpected problems is part of being a landlord. But did you know you can actually lessen these problems? How, you ask? By having a thorough screening process for tenants and a clear system in place. Screening tenants involves checking their credit score, income, and employment history to ensure they are financially stable and able to pay their rent. It also includes checking their references and past rental history to ensure they have a good track record as a tenant. This process can help prevent issues such as late rent payments or property damage in the future. Once a tenant is selected, have a clear system in place for dealing with problems that may arise. Have a procedure for handling late rent payments, addressing maintenance or repair issues, and dealing with any complaints from neighbors. Also, be available to your tenants and respond to any issues they may have in a timely manner. By being proactive and addressing problems as they arise, you can minimize the potential for disputes and ensure the smooth operation of your property. Being able to deal with problems in a timely manner also demonstrates your responsibility and professionalism as a landlord. If you want to know more about finding the right tenants, watch our video about how to properly screen tenants for rental property on the channel, and make sure to subscribe for our upcoming videos. Number 5. A website or blog where you can promote your property listings to potential guests. Even if you have a large network of family and friends who regularly send you traffic, it's not enough to make money from Airbnb. You need to grow your audience by promoting your properties on a website or blog that people can find on Google. This is vitally important because even if you own a beautiful house with the best reviews in town, but no one knows about it, you'll be missing out on those sweet rental arbitrage profits. Your website or blog should be easy for potential guests to find online by using search engines like Google. You may even want to consider purchasing ads that you see at the top of search results pages when someone types in keywords related to renting homes through Airbnb, like rental arbitrage. Don't let your property sit empty any longer. Create a website or blog to promote your property listings to potential guests today. You'll be able to increase your bookings, revenue, and establish yourself as a professional landlord or property owner. Take action and you'll eventually start seeing results. Number 6. A cleaning service. When starting an Airbnb rental arbitrage, it's vital to have a reliable cleaning service in place. Guests expect a high level of cleanliness and comfort when they book a vacation rental, and a dirty or poorly maintained property can lead to negative reviews and lower bookings. A cleaning service can ensure that the property is cleaned and prepared for each new guest, which can help to maintain the property's condition and ensure that guests have a positive experience. They will take care of all the cleaning needs of your property, including laundry, deep cleaning, and restocking essentials. Not only that, but they will ensure that your property is cleaned and prepared for the next guest. Even if the previous guest checked out early, giving you a peace of mind knowing that you will have no delays in your next booking. Believe me, having a cleaning service can also save you time and energy, and you can focus on other aspects of the business, such as marketing and guest communication. Number 7. Insurance policy. Did you know that Airbnb hosts can sue you if they have an issue with your stay? It's true. An insurance policy is a must for Airbnb rental arbitrage. If your host has a claim against you, this is the surest way to protect yourself. If you're planning on starting an Airbnb rental arbitrage business, it's crucial to understand the importance of having an insurance policy. An insurance policy can provide financial protection in the event of accidents or unforeseen circumstances that may occur on your property. For example, if a guest is injured while staying at one of your properties, an insurance policy can help cover the cost of any medical expenses or legal fees that may arise. If your property is damaged, an insurance policy can help cover the cost of repairs or replacement. Take my advice, be prepared for the unexpected. Having an insurance policy in place can give you peace of mind and help protect your investment. Number 8. Right marketing strategies. Marketing is perhaps the most vital part of the process, and sad to say, it's often overlooked. Here are little-known ways to jumpstart your Airbnb business. The first step is to create a listing that stands out from the competition. This means taking high-quality photographs of your property and writing an engaging and informative listing description. You should consider offering unique amenities or services that will make your property more appealing to potential guests. Another important marketing strategy is to optimize your listing for search. Use relevant keywords in your listing title and description, as well as selecting the right categories and amenities. Not only that, consider also the location of your property and how it relates to the interests of potential guests. For example, if your property is located near a popular tourist attraction, you should make sure to mention that in your listing. Another key aspect of marketing for a short-term rental is building and maintaining a positive reputation. Encourage your guests to leave reviews and respond to any negative feedback constructively. Building a good reputation on the platform will increase the chances of repeating bookings and also increase your visibility on the platform. Without a doubt, the Airbnb business is on the rise, but when it comes to this, I want to leave you with this point. Research is key. Before you jump into the world of Airbnb rental arbitrage, do your due diligence. Research the market in your area to determine the best neighborhoods and types of properties that are in high demand on Airbnb. This will help you find properties that will be easy to rent out at a higher price than what you're paying for them. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on the topic and let's start a conversation. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our channel for more content like this and hit the subscribe button to stay updated. In fact, we have a step-by-step guide on rental arbitrage we created here. So click the video on the screen now and we'll see you in the next one.